Welcome friends. In this video module, we will be learning about different styles. Styles are some pre-made formations that we can apply on our text. Now, to apply that, we can first select the text on which we want to apply different styles, and then we can find the styles group in our home tab here. So now we will go and change the style. For example, we can move cursor on different style and the preview of how our paragraph will look after applying that particular style will be displayed. So if we move our cursor to this style, it will make changes in our paragraph. So we can preview and we can decide which style to apply. Suppose we want to use this style. To apply this style, simply click on that style and that is it. As you can see, the entire formation on our paragraph is being done, and it is being done very simply by just choosing a different style. We also can edit styles. To do that, go ahead and click on change styles, and we can see there are different style sets. After selecting a particular style set, we can go ahead and change the colors used in that particular style set. After doing that, we can select and change the fonts used in that style. And after we do that, we can set this as default. So this was the tutorial upon styles in MS Word, which makes our formation very easy. Thank you.